everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we have a glasses try on haul. I'm working with FYTOO today. They sent me over some glasses that I'm going to show you guys today. Honestly, I forgot which ones I picked out, so it's going to be a little surprise to me, but let's go ahead and get right into it. First, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, you guys, and let's get into this try on haul. First, this is the box that it comes in. Super cute. Love the colors. Well packaged. All right, so first you get your little wiper to wipe your lenses down. Then they also send you one of these eye measurers, just in case you need like some prescription, some custom made glasses. They do have these. I've got 6 pairs of frames that I'm going to show you guys, and this one for some reason came in this black case. I don't know what makes it so special, but we'll save that for last. Okay, with the first pack, this is what the packages look like. Really cute. They come in more plastic, and also each pair has a little what do they call these, like a towel, a wiper, I don't know, but you get one of these. All right, the glasses also come with a plastic protection on there, so there's no smudges, which is beautiful. So the first pair are these. I'll have the name to these at the bottom of the screen. Really cute aviator style. I believe these are like a medium size, but I really liked the clear frame with the gold. Love that. All right, let's see how these look on. Okay, these are cute. These are giving cute goggles. Yes, these are very cute. The details on here are really cute too. Love that. Right, so the next pair of frames are these kind of like a rounded square. They have a clear brown frame, which is super cute, and then the arms turn into like a neutral tone like tortoise, and then it has this red orange detailing right there, which is really cute. Love. Oh, and these are very cute. These are really cute. The next pair are actually very similar, but the frames are a little bit thicker, and it's like straight across at the top. But it's like a light chocolatey brown, and it's the same color all the way around. I love how it's thicker right here. Love that. And I love the nose rests when they're like connected to the frame like this. Let's see, there you go. These are, I love these. These are my favorites. They're so comfortable. But yes, I love the color of these. It's really soft brown, but I love a clear glass frame. So this is just like, you know, just adding a little bit of color to the clear. So, oh, and I like these too. These are so cute. These would be really cute with like a bust down straight wig, bust down middle part black. Yeah, these would be so cute. My gosh. Okay, so these are a squared round frame, but they're like navy green or like a clear foresty green in the front. I hope you guys can see that color. Are you guys getting the color? Okay, and then the arms or legs. I don't know what they call these. It's a brown tortoise. And I like this little cute detail right here. That detail is pretty cute. And yes, they're like really, really thin too. Really thin. But I like the two-tone colors. Like, what? Love that. Oh. Oh. All right, these are my favorite. These are my favorite so far. Oh my gosh, I love them. I love how my eyebrows still come over on top, and then there's a lot of room like down here between like my eye and my cheek. I don't know why I love that look, but these are everything. I wonder what size these are. Are these mediums or large like frames? I'm not sure. But I will have the links, of course, so you can look them up. But they're just giving me more like a wide fit, and they're just like really, really comfortable. Okay, I had to pick up some white ones. As you guys can tell, I have a little bit of a style, but these have like a little cat eye like at the corner. It's just very small and subtle points at the top, but so freaking cute. And then we have the tortoise on the sides. Listen, the two-tone is giving. Excuse me. Love. All right, these ones are cute, but I could tell that these fit snug on my face. I've got a big head, and they're just giving a little snug, but they're still so very cute. All right, so the last pair comes in this package. I don't know why. If I know why, if I find out why when I'm editing this video, I will put it at the bottom of the screen. But yeah, so this is the last pair. Oh, I know why. And these are the only shades that I got. I don't even remember picking these out. So these are the shades. They're just black, matte on the frame and the arms. It's matte black. Okay. Okay. These are kind of cute. These are kind of cute. Hold up. Hold up. I haven't worn sunglasses in so freaking long. But I like these. I think they kind of fit my face kind of cute. They're like pitch black too. Pitch black. But the reason why it comes in this pack, because it has 3, like these are interchangeable. So I wonder if this is like just magnetic. Are these just magnetic? I think they are. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm figuring things out. Okay. So first, these shades come right off. Okay. So they do come clear. That's why I was like, I don't remember picking out no sunglasses, because they come clear like this, but then there's just a magnet that you can put on and turn them into shades. Excuse me? What? Okay. So the next ones are these blue ones. Oh. A blue number. Uh-huh. Okay. Then there's a gray. Oh my gosh, you can see the reflection of my mess I have going on here. Don't you worry about that, okay? But these are cute. I like these colors. Then we have these ones. They're like a little kind of like brown. These are fun. These are fun. Okay, now let me show you the very last one. And you have the clear yellow. And yes, I'm seeing yellow everywhere. So cute. Okay, so these clear glasses come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different shades. So, and then you could wear them clear too. So there's 6 different ways that you could wear these frames. So freaking cool. That is so cool. And I actually like how these look with a no color too. Very cute. All right, so I went ahead and put my favorite ones back on because hello. Hello. So cute. Okay, so that is my little try on haul from FYTOO. They have some really cute shades. I really love that interchangeable one. This interchangeable one, that's 6 pair of frames in one. Like, you cannot beat that. So that is great. Whoever idea that was like phenomenal. Good job. But anyway, I hope you guys liked this review. Make sure you guys comment below. Tell me which glasses you like the most. Maybe you guys already purchased some from them. Let's talk about it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, you guys. And I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.